9. Preposition संबंध सूचक अव्यय. A preposition occurs before a noun or pronoun and it expresses the relation between it to something else. संबंध सूचक अव्यय किसी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के पहले आकार उनका संबंध अन्य संज्ञा या सर्वनाम से दर्शाते हैं. Example 1. She is very fond of ice cream. Second, the lion lay down under the tree. Third, we saw many fish in the aquarium. Place of preposition संबंध सूचक अव्यय की स्थिति. A. सामान्यतः prepositions अपने ऑब्जेक्ट के पूर्व में आता है. Example 1. A cat walks like a lion. Second, come back before sunset. Third, he entered into the room. Fourth, she is suffering from fever. B. preposition अपने ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद भी आ सकता है. Example 1. Where is the boy you were complaining about? Second, this is the project whom I mentioned of. Third, whom are you looking for? Fourth, whom are you speaking to? कुछ अन्य prepositions. Above. 1. He came late above an hour. Second, the sun was shining above our head. Third, the boss is above the employee. Against. 1. The ladder was placed against the wall. Second, he acted against his father's advice. At. 1. Mohan lives at Gandhi Nagar in Kanpur. Second, we go to school at 7 o'clock. Between. 1. The child stands between his father and mother. Second, the function will start between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. Third, there was no friendship between Ravi and Raghav. By. 1. What is time by your watch? Second, the puppy was killed by the naughty boy. Third, the dog stood by its master. Fourth, he will return by tomorrow. Of. 1. The book is made of paper. Second, a leg of the table is broken. Third, the patient died of fever. 2. 1. We go to school. Second, I gave the book to him. Third, I prefer tea to coffee. In. 1. I was born in June. Second, finish this work in 2 days. Third, meet me in the evening. With. 1. The child was with his father. Second, the man was with a beard. Besides. 1. He came and sat beside me. After. He woke up after sunrise. Second, dog ran after the thief. Within. 1. The result will be declared within 3 days. Second, work within rules. Third, we shall reach within 3 hours. From. 1. We went to school from home. Second, he works hard from morning to evening. Third, she is suffering from fever. But. 1. You are good boy but lazy. Second, he may be slow but he is sure. On. 1. The book lay on the table.